I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to pair your Ultimate Ears Everboom speaker with your iPhone or iPad. The Ultimate Ears Everboom speaker is a rocking mid-sized portable speaker loaded with great features. The rugged speaker boasts 20 hours of battery life and IP67 rating, making it dustproof and waterproof, and even lets you connect it with up to 150 other Ultimate Ears speakers. You can even use the Ultimate Ears app to broadcast your voice over the speaker. But before you can use any of these great features, the first thing you need to do is pair your iPhone or iPad with your Ultimate Ears Everboom. Step 1. Locate the power and Bluetooth buttons that sit in the panel on the top of your Ultimate Ears Everboom Bluetooth speaker. Step 2. Power your Ultimate Ears Everboom speaker on if it isn't turned on already. If the speaker is turned on, the LED light under the power button will be lit up. Additionally, check to see if the backlight behind the Bluetooth button is solid or blinking. If the backlight behind the Bluetooth button is solid, then your Everboom speaker is already paired with another device, which isn't a big deal because it can be paired with multiple Bluetooth devices. If the LED backlight behind the Bluetooth button is blinking, then the speaker is in pairing mode and you can skip the next step and move to step 4. Step 3. Press and hold your finger against the Bluetooth button for roughly 3 seconds if the LED under the button is solid to pair your Everboom speaker with another device. The Everboom Bluetooth speaker will automatically start making the following pinging sound, and the Bluetooth button's LED backlight will start flashing, indicating the device is in pairing mode. The speaker will remain in pairing mode until it either runs out of battery life or you power it down. Step 4. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Now, scroll down to the My Devices section, find Everboom at the bottom of that list, and then tap Everboom. You'll hear the following sound on your Ultimate Ears Everboom Bluetooth speaker, and the Bluetooth light on the speaker will now be solid. This indicates that your Everboom speaker is now paired with your iPhone or iPad, and any sound played from your iPhone or iPad will be played through the Everboom speaker. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.